Is your iPhone's alarm volume too low in the morning and you cannot hear it when it rings? Here are a couple of fixes for this problem, so follow the steps in this video. One feature which can make your alarm volume too low is the Attention Aware feature inside of the Face ID settings. So let's open our settings page, navigate all the way down towards the bottom, and open the Face ID and passcode section. Here is an option that's called Attention Aware feature. If this one is turned on for you, then it can lower the volume of some alerts, including your alarm sound when the iPhone thinks you're looking at the screen. Turn this off and see if your alarm volume is now louder. Two more things which you can do is to go back to the main settings page and then navigate over to the Sounds and Haptics section. This ringtone and alert slider must be all the way up, so drag it over to your right side and make sure it's maxed out. But sometimes you have this change with buttons feature enabled, and this can lower the ringtone and alerts volume when you're using your volume buttons. Maybe you've lowered a volume for something on your phone by using your buttons, but this also lowers the ringer volume, as you can see, so turn this change with buttons off in order to prevent you from lowering the volume on alerts as well as your alarm. This is the most common issue, so go ahead and check if your iPhone's alarm volume is loud enough. A third fix is a simple restart of your iPhone. Open the Control Center, then long press this shutdown button in the top right until the slide to power off screen appears, and you know what to do from now on. A simple restart can fix glitches and bugs in your iPhone system, and those bugs can lower the alarm volume, or they may prevent the alarm to go off entirely. So do a restart and tell me if this helped. The last fix which I have in this video is to disconnect any Bluetooth devices, such as headphones, earphones, or other Bluetooth devices. I'll open the Bluetooth settings, and you can see that I have my headphones connected, and this can cause our iPhone to play alarm sounds and other alerts throughout that Bluetooth device instead of your speakers. So what you want to do is you want to turn off Bluetooth completely, or if you need Bluetooth on for other things, then just disconnect your headphones or earbuds and do a test alarm to check if the volume is okay. And one bonus tip is that you select another alarm sound or pick a different song for your alarm. Some ringtones have simply a low volume even when they're playing at maximum, so maybe try and experiment with a different song and tell me in the comments down below if any of these fixes worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.